In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Analytics email address. If you've ever needed to update your contact information for your Analytics account, perhaps due to a change in your primary email or just wanting to keep things organized, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but taking it step by step ensures nothing is overlooked. First off, you'll want to navigate to the Analytics Tools and Solutions page for your business. This is where it all starts, offering you a clear path into your Analytics dashboard. You can find this simply by searching Google Analytics in your preferred web browser, or by clicking on the direct link if you have it saved. Once you're on the page, the next thing you'll need to do is sign into your Analytics account. Look for the Sign into Analytics option, usually positioned at the top right of the page. This will prompt you to enter your email address and password. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you may need to proceed with your usual Google login credentials. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Analytics home. This is where all your data, visuals, and reports can be initially found. It's an array of insightful charts and key performance indicators, which you might want to take a moment to glance at, but let's stay focused on the task at hand. From the Analytics home, you'll need to locate the Settings option. It's typically found in the lower section of the sidebar menu. Clicking here will bring you to your account settings, which houses lots of functional options, but more importantly for us is where we start managing account details. Now go to Analytics, which is another section within your settings. This will involve another click that guides you further into the back end of your account. Here you'll enter the account administration area, where all detailed account operations are available. In the admin section, you'll want to click on account details. This section holds critical account information. It's here you can tweak various account behaviors, including our goal today of changing the email address. Once you're in account details, spot and click on account name. This leads you to more personalized settings. Now find the email field, click on it to bring about the option to modify it. Here you can input your new email address. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully updated your Google Analytics email address. Remember, updating your email keeps you in the loop for any critical notifications from Google Analytics. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions.